Open your mouth. Hey boy, you're paying attention to that brush. Here. Open your mouth. Go ah. Ah. There you go. Woo! Your tongue is in the way. Move that tongue. I'll brush that first. I've never done that before. You like that? Okay, move your tongue. Move your tongue.
Show him. Go ah.
Go ah. Okay, wait. Go ah. That's a new move. The opening your tongue. There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. I can't do that.
I guess he knew you were done. That's why he stopped doing it.
I wasn't finished. I didn't get your bottoms yet. Open. Go ah. You're not letting me get your bottom. La 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 la. Hey, move that tongue. You like that? There we go. Now it's getting the bottom teeth. Your lips always gets in the way. Okay, go to the top teeth. Go. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. One more time on the bottom. Top teeth are good. Move.
Ah.
Go ah. Not your tongue. You and the bottom teeth. Hey, get the picture in. Go like this. Hey, Rain. Rain. Hey, Rain.
Rain, look at Mama. Go ahead. He's got that brush in his hand.